Hello friends, we are back with a new topic on PowerQuery. Today it will kind of a bonus session because we'll be covering three things in a one video. So we'll be covering sorting, indexing and removing duplicate. Let's quickly move on to the practicals. Let me import this table into PowerQuery from table range. So my data is imported, right? In this example, I want to show you different outputs, how to get a unique from department, unique from area, and unique from name. So let's start with indexing first. So for indexing, first of all, what is indexing? It shows you the number of rows in a data, and they are specifically used when you're filtering by row position or by a range or a row. It can help you confirm your result from starting position to the output generated. For applying indexing, you can click on any column and go to add column because we are adding a new column. Now look for the under general, look for the indexing column. In this, it have three options: from 0, from 1, customize. Customize will allow you to start from any number you want, and let the window pop up, then I will explain you. Okay, in starting index you can type any number from where you want to start, and the increment you can increment more by multiple of 2s 3s, whatever you want. In my case, I just want to count the number of I have, so I can go with from 1. So my indexing, so index is done. Okay, next we will see how to remove duplicates. To do that, let's first give this table a name. Now to duplicate, right click, click duplicate. In my earlier video I told you what is the difference between duplicate and reference. What duplicate is doing, it's copying the same step from the import, and it had no connection or no linkages to the previous table from where we have duplicated this. So let's rename this so that we can read it. Unique department. To remove the duplicates, right click, remove duplicate. Then we can do right click, remove other columns. I have the unique duplicates. Let's import this to the Power Query. Close and load to. Sometimes it's happened that you are not able to click the existing worksheet. So first let's create the connections only. Then right click on this, load to table existing. Let me copy it from F3. So I'll selecting F1. Okay, my table will copied here. Now again go back to the Power Query. Again I will create a duplicate. This time I need a area, so unique area. Click on it, right click, remove duplicates, remove other columns. Again close and load to table existing H1. Okay, now I will again go to this. Again I will duplicate. Now this time I want a duplicate of names, sorry, unique names. Unique names. Let me right click, remove duplicates, remove other columns. Now you must have observed that I have my name typed twice, one with the small and one with the caps, capitalize every word. So this is just to show you that Power Query works on case sensitive. So you have to be very cautious while doing the any transformation, that while doing replace or removing any duplicate, you must focus on the transformation of changing the names into a same format so that it will not impact your output. Now in this scenario, I can add a step here. I can go here, can go transform, format, capitalize each word. It will ask, yes, I want to insert. Now when I click on my output, now I will get my name once. Mm, Close and load. Sorry, I'm not uploaded into connection only. So to do again, close and load to existing. I go with J1. Okay. Now we go back to this. Now the third and the last part is sorting. Sorting is pretty simple in the in PowerQuery. You just go to the data. You just need to click, like I'm selecting here, sort in ascending. Again, sort in ascending. And by salary, I want sort in descending. So you must have observed in the formula bar, if you open the formula, it added one by one the steps I performed, and it even gives the numbers to these the one column which I have picked. Suppose if I want to edit, or by mistake I have selected ascending or descending, whatever the case is, and I want to change it, I need not to perform the whole steps again. I just need to I go to this and delete the descending. Now I will type, once I type ASC, the starting alphabets of ascending, IntelliSense will automatically give me this. I'll need to click up and sorry. Press enter, it will change. Okay. So it's pretty easy to apply sorting in the Power Query. Hope the topic is clear and there are no further doubts. If there are any, please call out the same in the comment section. We'll definitely get back to you. Please do like and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you and have a good day.